Hi, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time seeing my face, hi, my name is Mora. Currently, I'm 20, and my life's a mess. But we're getting together. We are getting it together in this video. So, as y'all can tell by the title, I'm moving out of my first apartment. Been here for a year, locked in. Did my big one in my first apartment. 19, 20 now. All went good. Yeah. But we're moving out. And move out with me. So I'm gonna show y'all what I got so far. Don't judge. I know it's a fucking mess, but I'm showing y'all the real uncut shit. So yeah. So today is Wednesday. We get the U-Haul Friday. This is what is packed so far. Don't mind the trash bags. I'm like throwing everything the fuck away. But y'all about to come along with me. Right now, I just got up a little bit ago. So like, I ain't even eat yet, I ain't even do nothing, and I just started packing. But I was like, let me make this a video. So yeah. So right now we're in the bathroom. I gotta clean this out so I can pack it up. Okay, so I cleaned the buckets. Now I'm about to make this box to put the thingamabobbies in. Okay, y'all see, oh my god, my eyes, like, what's going on? But, y'all see who's in the cut. Y'all see who's in the cut. And of course he has that damn vape. It's always that damn vape. But we're about to get started with these boxes in here. And, yeah. So, I don't know. I'm low-key tired, but shit gotta get dead. Okay, y'all. He's about to do his closet. There's already stuff taken out of my closet, and my suitcase is packed. I just gotta put all the other stuff in this bin. I don't even know how full the bin is. Okay. Ugh. Oh shit. I ain't break nothing, y'all. I'm cool.
First one forever.
What do you mean? I don't. Shut up. I think I was folding this stuff. I don't even know if I should just keep in this shirt. Is this yours?
Is it a polo?
Yeah, but we both have one.
I don't know why you can
Hold up.
my shit.
Yeah, that one's mine. This is your shit. Boy, shut up. We have the same exact fucking shirt.
But you still take my shit.
You're delusional.
What? Yeah, it's not delusional. You have some of my fucking shirts.
Okay, I have some. I put the other shirts back in your closet.
You can take all of them.
You're welcome. Or now I can take all of them.
You act like you don't take them in general.
But I tell you which ones I'm going to wear. I take the ones I like. You just never get them back.
That's all of them.
It's not all of them. I feel like I should keep this. Oh. Okay, so we're going to recording it.
I'm surprised you gave me my shirts back.
You just be talking shit. Like you sound like me.
You talk more than me.
It don't seem like that right now.
That's right now. That's different. That's you all the time.
Come here and hold up the box.
No, come here.
For a thumbnail. No, that box. Get back, like
Oh my gosh.
move the chair or something. Lift the box up.
You won't let me fucking kill myself.
We need to see the logo. Hold up. Hold this box. Jalira! We're trying to make the thumbnail. Don't fucking plug me. Ow! Get the fuck out my face.
Karma, bitch, ain't it?
Jalira, shut up. It has nothing to do with fucking karma. That's why you about to take that bookshelf out in a minute. That's not fucking karma. About to throw this shirt away. It's not yours. Take this outside. I got this little table joint. He's taking that out. I think someone's upset.
Somewhere in here.
Come here. Jay. Okay, it's the next day. I need to see. But the room low-key look clear. The closet is almost done. There's a lot of boxes in the living room. Let me show you what the living room looks like. This is currently the living room. My YouTube is on. I'm selling this TV. It's 70 inches. I'm selling it for $130. But the box is here. So I need to wash clothes. This is the last time I'm about to be washing clothes here. Because we get the U-Haul. And are these dirty? Yeah. We get to U-Haul tomorrow. Well, by the time you've seen this, it's probably gonna be a lot after the date or whatever, because it's been taking me a minute to do shit. But oh, I didn't even tell y'all, I got approved to be monetized on here. So y'all clock that too. Are you recording? Mm-hmm. Like, blast your finger until the camera on. Now I just want to take a picture of that. Another thing of toilet paper. You know we have toilet paper just all over.
Yeah.
What is this? What is this?
I don't know.
Why is there a lighter inside?
Free lighter. Ew. This is done for.
Get that.
Sure.
That's what? Wow. And sweep the other thing up. Be careful with that water bottle because it's open. So, just like one of our last meals. I got pork chops. I'm about to make macaroni and cheese. Then with some carrots. I like cinnamon sugar carrots, so that's what I'm gonna make. Yeah. Okay, so the first round of pork chops is about to be done soon. It's not even no probably in the dishwasher. We're gonna put that on here. I'm trying to do this quick too because we're about to wash clothes. Okay, so the closet is no more John's in the closet. I'm about to start taking everything out. Okay, y'all. This is what it's looking like. I'm about to take these LED lights down because they don't work anymore. And oh, it's okay fucking up the paint. We're definitely not getting our serious deposit back. It looks a mess, and this is probably, I don't know how much I'm gonna record after this, but this is what the room looks like. We're about to take everything out so we can vacuum clean, and so tomorrow it's easier. It's easier for us to put everything in the U-Haul because everything will already be out of the room. Everything is already packed. I should be cleaned. Oh yeah, he's taking this one out first. That's where that lotion went. And you can just put it in that little corner over there. And my phone keeps running out of storage, so we're gonna have to shorten this up a little bit. Took both the dressers out. Now we're about to vacuum the closet. You go vacuum your closet, and I'll vacuum mine. And then we gotta finish packing all that. But as long as the big stuff is out now, it's gonna be a little easier. Okay, this is a couple days later. We wound up getting everything out, and everything with the U-Haul went good. My phone literally keeps running out of storage, so I don't even know how long I can make this little intro thing. But make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll be back at it again when I'm back at it again. Probably soon, okay, because me and my brother was talking about doing some content in the way. Half of these videos, like, I don't... Like, the timeline would be different because I don't post them, like, the Alfredo video. I made that Alfredo, like, 2-3 weeks ago, and I just posted it 4 days ago. So, like, the timeline's pretty weird. But, yeah.